For all the hype, SEC media days can get kinda dry. The questions, the answers, at times it all starts to sound the same until someone cuts through the fog and says something funny. A few such moments dotted the Hoover landscape Tuesday, and with Lane Kiffin batting cleanup, day 2 of media days closed with speed. A few of the more entertaining things said Tuesday as we reached the midpoint of the 4-day event. The Ole Miss coach didn't waste time hitting a punchline. After an introduction from SEC Commissioner Greg Sankey, Kiffin went right after it. With son Knox in attendance, Kiffin connected the dots between Sankey and the 12-year-old. Commissioner actually reminded me, when he saw Knox, went up and said hi to Knox. You know, that Knox needs to earn his scholarship because the commissioner's fine last year, Kiffin said. I think I tweeted that Knox's college fund is gone, thanks to the fine there. The reference was to the $25,000 fine handed down by the SEC after Kiffin criticized the officiating in loss to Auburn last season. The day started with some Quavo. Kirby Smart referenced a text he received from rapper and frontman of Migos when asked about name, image and likeness rules. A lot of people in this room probably don't know who Quavo is, the Georgia coach said. Bulldog Jordan Davis stepped to the podium a little while later and was asked about the Quavo reference. I think definitely him and Quavo having a connection is cool, Davis said, but I don't think Kirby could name a song that Quavo has been on. This wasn't Kiffin's first round in Hoover after making his debut in 2009 as Tennessee's coach. A writer asked him about the controversy of the week 12 years ago when one of the league's coaches didn't vote Tim Tebow as the first-team All-SEC quarterback. As usual, I was accused of that, Kiffin said to laughter in the room. So I brought my ballot to show everyone, to show Urban. What was the second part of the question? You got me all off there. We're back to Urban Meyer and Tebow and singing Rocky Top in the Swamp all night long, that part. The SEC 6 degrees of Jennifer Lopez stopped at Kentucky's Josh Paschal. The Wildcat defensive end has a well-documented story of his battle with cancer and the charitable work he's done to help those who've faced similar adversity. That led him to a moment with an icon that transcended the sports world. He was at an event that involved J-Lo and their paths crossed. She's walking up the stairs, and I just look up. I was looking at the stairs, and I look up, and we make complete eye contact, Paschal said. And she winked at me. That was enough for Paschal. I hope that wink was real, he said, because I've been telling this story ever since it happened. When I tell you I melted, I melted. The Kiffin persona comes through best when he hits social media.